Welcome to Luca is a Billionaire, where the only thing I invest in is your answers.
In this video, I will explain how to connect MetaMask to Coinbase. First, make sure you have both a MetaMask wallet and a Coinbase account ready to go. You'll need to be logged into both platforms for this process. Start by opening your MetaMask extension in your browser and securely logging into your wallet. This is the essential first step before we proceed with any transfers. Next, you need to locate your MetaMask wallet address. On the main screen of your MetaMask extension, you'll see your account name and a long string of characters below it. This is your public wallet address. Simply click on this address and it will automatically copy to your clipboard. This is the destination for your funds from Coinbase, so ensure it's copied correctly. Now, switch over to your Coinbase account. Log in, and then look for the send/receive or simply send option, usually found on the main dashboard or in your portfolio section. Once you're in the send interface, you'll see a field for the recipient's address. This is where you'll paste the MetaMask address you just copied. Double-check that it's the correct address before moving forward. Before you finalize the transaction, it's crucial to carefully review all the details. Double-check the amount of cryptocurrency you're sending, and most importantly, ensure the MetaMask wallet address is absolutely correct. Also, take a moment to review any network fees that Coinbase might display. Once you're confident everything is accurate, confirm the transaction. And hey, for more great deals and to find the link for the Owala water bottle, make sure to check the description below.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.